In this video, I am going to show you how you can get free 100% discount on your AWS Foundational and Associate Level Certification exam. Let's go. Alright, so I'm here on my computer screen, and as you can see, AWS is providing with 100% discount for foundational level vouchers, which includes your AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner and also AWS Certified AI Practitioner. Similarly, you're also getting 100% discount for Associate Voucher, which includes Solutions Architect Associate, Developer Associate, SysOps Associate, Data Engineer, and Machine Learning Engineer Associate. So in order to get this discount, you need to collect points. As you can see, it's Associate Voucher requires 5,200 points and a foundation requires 4,500 points. Right now I have 200 points, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get these points and also get the voucher for 100% discount. So in order to get these points, you need to click on home option here, and you can find different courses that you need to do. When you do these courses, you get points. This 200 points by doing a course. So this is the course that I did, which was Gen AI course. But let me give you an example on how to do this. So you have 3 different surveys by ETC, Emerging Talent Community. So this is the third survey. I did 2 of these surveys to get like 200 points here. So let me show you quickly how you can do this. How did you learn about this? I learned this from a YouTube video. Which of these following describes your current job? I am having a full-time job. So you can fill this survey according to your information and then click on complete. Once you click on complete, you get some points. As you can see, I get this message saying content completed and any points earned. So now my points are updated from 200 to 410. In order to get 100% discount, I need to gather around 4,500 points, which is a lot more, and I cannot do this just by completing surveys. So you need to click on this reward contents, and then you can see all the different courses you can do in order to gather these points faster. These courses will help you prepare for the exam itself. So you will prepare for the exam and also get the exam voucher for free. When you click on this takes you to AWS Skill Builder, which is another AWS platform. So you need to log in or create account into 2 platforms. First is the AWS Educate, and you can log into this using your email ID. I use my personal Gmail, so you don't need to have your college email. You can also log in through your personal Gmail. I logged in through my personal Gmail on AWS Educate. You also need to create an account on AWS Skill Builder. So AWS Skill Builder is a place where you can find different courses to prepare or learn about AWS. And when you click on the reward section here, you get courses. So when you do these courses on Skill Builder, you will gather more points, and then once you have enough points, you can go to reward section and then claim your points to get 100% discount for foundational or for associate level. If you want to learn more about this, you can also check out the Reddit blog post. I will put the link in the description, and this says this is now 100%. Earlier it was only 50% discount, but now it's 100% discount. All you need to do is do the courses and get the points and then redeem your course. You can also read about it from the official AWS community website. I will put the link of this in the description, and I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or doubt about this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day.